पैशाच्या आणि सत्तेच्या बळग्यार भाजपान काँग्रेसीक सोपोवपाचो यत्न चलयल्यात. दुसरे फावट काँग्रेस फुटची ना अशें आश्वासन आमी गोंयकारांक दिल्ले, पूण आमी खंय तरी फाटीं पडले. काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडूराव सांगता. आमदारांच्या हे कृतीक लागून हांव गोंयकारांची माफी मागता. भाजपान वचपाची आमदारांनी दिल्ली कारणां लजेक घालपी आसात. काँग्रेसीच्या तिकेटीचेर तुमी वेचून आयिल्ले आनी काँग्रेसीक लागूनच तुमकां लोकांनी वेचून दिल्ल्याचे दिनेश गुंडूरावान सांगला.
And Mr. Michael Lobo. We had named them also, though he was a CLP leader, though Mr. Digambar Kamath was a former chief minister, but we had named them specifically that they were the two people who were masterminding this whole effort to split the Congress legislature party. Today, the truth has come out. For selfish reasons, for the sake of power, for the sake of money, or for whatever other reason, these people who have benefited from the Congress party, who have gained from the Congress party, who are and who have held positions in the Congress party, for their personal selfish reasons, have defected. Sad day for democracy, sad day for the politics of Goa also. And an unfortunate development for the Congress party also. Because I remember before the last election, we had specifically told the people of Goa that we will ensure that our elected MLAs will not defect. This is like betraying your own mother. Nothing short of that. Brazenly today, they are behaving as if they have done nothing wrong.